Hello, my lovely viewers across the globe. You are welcome to Mama Francisca's Kitchen. And today we are going to learn how to use the kitchen skill. One may ask, is Mama Francisca also into catering? Yes, I am a multi-talented woman. And this has come to existence because I want all my viewers to learn much about catering techniques to help their various homes, marriages, and relationships. Let's start today's tutorial. As I said earlier, today we are going to learn how to use the kitchen skill. We have a lot of kitchen skills. We have the digital one, which I will teach how to use it another time. We have this very one, we are going to learn how to use it. And then we have this one too. Okay. When you come to this side of the skill, this is where we have the measurement.
Okay, Rex.
The black one is in pounds and ounces. And the red one is in kilograms. But in my tutorials, I'm going to use only pounds and ounces. Okay, so let's go. Whenever you are measuring something, the measurement is supposed to be at the number 0. So between 0 to 1 is 1 pound. 0 to 2 is 2 pounds. 0 to 3 is 3 pounds. So 0 to any of the number is that number's pound. I guess I'm making sense. There is another bar in between the 0 to 1. If you check it well, this very bar. From 0 to 1, there is this longer bar inside. There's this longer bar at the center.
Okay, Rex.
Okay. So if from 0 to 1 is 1 pound, then from 0 to that longer bar, which is at the center, is half pound. If from 0 to 1 is 1 pound, then from 0 to this number, this line at the center is half pound. Then we have these small lines. Each line is 2 ounces. Okay. So we also have these small lines. Each of the line is 2 ounces. So from 0 to this line is 2 ounces. To the next line is 4 ounces. To the third line is 6 ounces. And to the center one, which is the half pound, is also 8 ounces. Okay. So from here to 1, which is 1 pound, can also be called 16 ounces. Let's check. 0 to the first one is 2 ounces. To the second line is 4 ounces. To the third line is 6 ounces. To the fourth line is 8 ounces. The next is 10 ounces. The next is 12 ounces. The next line is 14 ounces. And this one is 16 ounces. Oh la la. So this is how simple the use of the scale is. Okay. Now, if you want to measure 1 pound 2 ounces, which of course we know from 0 to 1 is 1 pound. The 1 pound 2 ounces will be the next line after the 1 pound. As I said earlier, each is 2 ounces. Okay. So if you are taking a measurement, for example, let me put this in. It has moved from 0 to the first very line. So this is 2 ounces. Let me add another thing and let's see. From this angle, we are the center of the 0 to 1, which we call either half pound or 8 ounces. So whatever you put into the scale, it will move from one number to the other. Let's continue. Let me add another thing to it and let's see. Now it has moved from wherever it was to 1.5 pound. If you can see, from the 0 to 1 is 1 pound or 16 ounces. Okay. Then from 1 to 2, the center line is half. You've gotten to know that each line in between the lines is half. So now, from 0 to this side is 1.5 pounds. Okay. So let's remove this and put in another thing. So now that I've put in another thing, let's check. It's exactly at the point 1. So this is 1 pound or 16 ounces. Let me put other item in and let's see. So when we look at this, it's on the number 2, which is 2 pounds. Okay, so let me add this to it and let's see. So now it has moved from the 2 pounds to 2.5 pounds. So this goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Hope I'm well understood. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it now. Mama Francisca to the world. Like my page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's Kitchen. And if you want to talk to me or WhatsApp me, it's +233 542 619011. Catch me up again on my next tutorial.